Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. Have here another Audi to look at. Okay, I'll just cover his reg up for a bit of privacy because I'm going to tell you some information on this car that's obviously not allowed to be done. Okay, so this customer's just arrived, giving me a bit of lowdown on the situation. Now, he didn't tell me any of this until he just arrived, unfortunately. But it had a DPF error. He took it to a garage and he said he was charged 1,200 quid for an AdBlue injector. I don't know how much the AdBlue injectors are on these, but that seems a bit steep. So yeah, that didn't fix the issue. Then they charged him, oh, he's in the car, I'll have to confirm it, but he said somewhere between 2 to 3 grand for an AdBlue tank. Then it had a DPF clean and another DPF clean. That didn't work. Then he brought it to another garage who'd done an EGR delete and an AdBlue delete. He was charged another £700 for that, and guess what, that didn't work either. So we're gonna have to get inside and see what's going on here. Okay, so it's got the engine management light on. I'm gonna do diagnostic. I'm gonna run a high-speed scan. Nearly done. It's these ones that I can't find. It takes a little bit longer. These grey ones. Humidity sensor in the fresh air intake duct. Never even heard of that one. Locking tank fuel camp open circuit. Alright, P200200 particle filter trap below efficiency. Negative antenna. Right, so you said there what, the fuel cap doesn't work?
You have to use a key to open it.
Key to open it, yeah, okay. And that one, humidity sensor, not too sure about that one. But anyway, we'll look at this, the particle filter trap. So the P200200 can usually be caused by the EGR cooler being blocked up. But if that's already been deleted, that can cause the DPF to get blocked. So differential pressure, see if we can find the soot mass. Look at those two. Right, so the DPF doesn't need cleaning. It's very low, the pressure. Oh, measured. So the measured grams is in negative, which is minus 321, which is not a good sign. Hold the car up at max revs. It's not even moving, is it? Where's the there, 24. Okay, if we come to the exhaust tip, let me just try and get a torch on that. Definitely looks sooty. Oh yeah. That's probably one of the worst I've ever seen, to be honest. Okay, so what that means is the DPF is cracked. It's letting the soot pass, so the particle filter is not working. So all of that work he's had done has just been a waste of money, really. It needs a new DPF. Of course, a new DPF, or depending on what you want to do, a DPF delete. So the reason I say a DPF delete is because it's already had an EGR delete, AdBlue delete. I mean, they should have just probably went and done the whole package while they were there, but they obviously chose not to. Now he's been quoted 4 grand for an SCR and a DPF from the same guys who's done all this work. I'd probably go back to them and say, you know, I don't know, if they could complete the full job of the software deletes that they were doing, really. But you got 2 options: you either do that or you replace everything and put all of the original software back on the car. I mean, so that's it really. We're pretty much done. It's a 2015 car, just for your information. See you in the next video.